Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Ever dreamed of taking your projects to the next level? Well, today I'm going to show you how AI can revolutionize your DIY game. Yep, you heard that right, artificial intelligence. Now let's get down to it. First up, AI design tools. Imagine sketching your idea and having an AI tool instantly transform it into a professional blueprint. Tools like SketchUp and AutoCAD now have AI features that can predict and suggest design improvements. It's like having a professional designer right there with you. Next, let's talk about AI in material selection. No more wandering around the hardware store, unsure about what to buy. Apps like Materialize and SmartFab use AI to recommend the best materials for your project based on factors like durability, cost, and environmental impact. Pretty neat, right? And it gets even better. AI can also help you with measurements and cuts. Tools like the Measure app and AI-powered laser cutters ensure precise measurements and perfect cuts every time. Just input your dimensions and let the AI do the work. No more second guessing or wasted materials. Now let's talk about troubleshooting. We've all been there, mid-project, and something goes wrong. Enter AI diagnostic tools. Platforms like Fixie and Troubleshoot.io use AI to identify problems and suggest fixes. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who always knows what to do. And for those of you into more advanced projects, AI-powered robots and assistants are a game-changer. Think of robotic arms that can help with intricate tasks, or AI assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant, which can control other smart tools in your workshop. They can even remind you when it's time to take a break. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you stay safe. Smart wearables and sensors can monitor your environment and alert you to potential hazards like high dust levels or dangerous fumes. Safety first, folks. So there you have it, AI tools that can design, plan, measure, troubleshoot, and even assist you in real time. The future of DIY is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these AI tools can help you create, innovate, and elevate your projects to new heights. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks to level up your DIY game. Until next time, happy DIYing!